Oh ho ho, we move on to question number 6. What is question number 6 now? Question number 6 is your favorite, my favorite question based on final accounts of non-profit making organization. NPO. How many marks question it will be, sir? It will be for 12 marks. And I am giving you almost 25 minutes to complete this question. 25 minutes. Sir, इसमें हमको क्या क्या बनाना पड़ेगा? See, typically speaking, if they don't give you opening balance sheet and they do not give you opening balance of capital fund, then in the working note you are going to prepare opening balance sheet, that is last year's balance sheet, to get opening balance of capital fund. Otherwise, you will always be preparing income and expenditure account and closing balance sheet. So either two things you will be preparing, income and expenditure account and closing balance sheet. If opening balance sheet is given, or in adjustment they have given opening balance of capital fund, or you will be preparing three things, that is opening balance sheet in the working note and income and expenditure account and closing balance sheet. Yappu?